YouTube, welcome back to another vlog. This is vlog number 17. I hope y'all are doing sturdy.
Hey, it's me again.
Today we are going down to Harlem to give back to the community and give back to places in general.
And shout out to the Harlem Rights Collective for hosting this amazing toy drive.
Yeah. Oh my God, what the? Really?
We got some stuff for you. Matt brought this art supplies.
Nice guy. I love giving back. I'm gonna try to do a Jamaican one as well. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna post a link for the toy drive. How long is it going on for?
The toy drive is going on all the way until January because we believe that even though it's a season of giving, we're gonna continue giving after Christmas for those that need it.
Perfect. Perfect. But yeah, so I'm gonna post a link if you guys want to contribute and give back. That would be amazing. That would be perfect. Like, comment, subscribe.
Guys, we have Diamond. Say hi, Diamond. And we are on our way to Harlem Mall.
Oh. Nah, it's really bumpy out here. Chill. Help. I gotta stop cursing so I don't have to edit so much.
Yeah, that's a real thing.
Yeah.
That's a real thing. That's why, like, right when I used to do the pod, it was so hard to edit because I cursed a lot. Diamond, do you feel like you're a cursor?
You know what? You don't even realize it until you're playing it back.
Sometimes.
Diamond got the shades on in the back.
It's been a long day. I slept for 2 hours.
I know that's right.
Hell yeah, it's been a long day. It's just a sad song.
That's it. You keep replaying the shit. You got issues. It just makes it nostalgic, you know, like you looking at the lights, you listening to Jay, like, you know, right? Diamond, are you with me? Yeah, like it feels good. When I used to drive into over here to Harlem Mall, I used to hate turning here. But imagine turning here at 5:30. You're trying to turn until 6:15. Swear to God.
Cap. That's what I like.
Wild. And these add insult to injury. That's my favorite White Castle. Huh? That is. I love that White Castle. I've had some very lonely drunk nights there.
Girl, what the fuck?
I don't want nobody judging me about eating White Castle. Like, yeah.
I don't. You know what's funny? I love White Castle sometimes too, as like a vice onto the blue moon, but the one on 220 seconds.
Not nasty, not a blood clot.
I don't really trust Queens Jamaican food because they be Guyanese.
Oh, not too much on the Guyanese now. That rice be.
It be good, but it's.
Oh no, that rice is so.
Our curries is not the same.
Did I lie?
What's it, Chinese spot? It's a clean looking Chinese spot though, I ain't gonna hold you.
Looking for a cutie.
What? Girl, what the fuck?
Is it?
I don't know. No. Oh yeah, go ahead first.
How we do
Hey auntie.
I love it. Let me say I'm in it.
She in it. Man, I'm dead. You said what? What's that? What you said?
Okay.
I don't know. This is
Camera, a GoPro, right?
Nah, it's a DJI.
I don't know. I'm not.
Maybe it's 4 something.
Okay, go up with the price. Go up with the price. Tell me the truth.
I don't even remember, to be honest.
Cause you got money?
I do not have money. Huh? I do not have money. Do I look like I got money? I don't got money. Do I look like I got money?
Come on, I'm broke, baby.
Woo! That's not that big. Nah, Rihanna got a big face.
Chill.
Yeah, hold up. Yo.
But you know they say pretty women have beautiful big foreheads.
Okay, this is true. What would you ask for?
My last one.
Your last one?
So I got here like right before happy hour, so I ordered Angie's drink, and then I ordered my drink, so that I can get there when I was ready.
Got you. That's what I didn't know you could pre-order drinks.
Like, whoop-de-doo.
That's how we do here in Harlem Memorial, you dig? I got my brother DJ Coke Easy with me. I am Harlem. We are at Harlem Memorial. Make sure you come here and get a drink, drop off a toy, come get a drink, catch a vibe. We about to start singing. I brought y'all shower voices. What's up?
I can love you. I can love you better than she. What to say? Can we talk? It's all because of you. Hey. I'm never sad and blue. You brighten up my day in your special way. Whenever you're around, I'm never feeling down. You are a trusted friend. Oh, you are independent. You take me away and you bring me back. Walk in my direction, I go the other way. It's not the shadow when I speak. It's not the
Okay.
Which one is the red light on?
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control and something takes over me. In the day, getting so amazed. On my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so deep.
Hi, Miss Parker.
Knocks me right off of my feet.
Yeah, what you go, yeah.
I let you go.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Hold on. We collected toys, right? We give out toys to youth in the Bronx, Harlem, and Puerto Rico, alright? So make sure y'all tap in with us. Like, bring a toy. I might be able to get you a drink or two, something like that.
Do it again. Please tell your lovers and friends that Ocean told me how to do it again.
Hold on.
Please tell your lovers and friends that Ocean told me how to do it again.
Girl, what the fuck?
Nobody's supposed to be here. I'm just supposed to be here.
baby! New York is back!
Knicks are here, baby. The Knicks are here, baby.
There's one thing you can't do when you're outside. You can't be slumped. That's automatic. You cannot be slumped. Look at
You tell KK to come here.
You can't be slumped, my boy. You can't be slumped. Boy, have a good night. It is cold. Yeah, it's just the NBA Cup.
Just, they won something.
Something, I guess.
What the hell is even that?
The Spurs beat OKC. That was the upset. Then we beat the Spurs. That 7-foot Frenchman. Damn near 8 foot. How much of these caramels?
I'm gonna give you the whole shebang, you feel me?
Chill.
Yeah, hold up. Yo, flag on the plate.
That's like some old school, like 70s cow shit, huh? Alright, this is the end of the vlog. I'm going to my bed. I'm tired as hell. It's cold as hell. They're talking gossip. So, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for everybody that subscribed so far. I'll put more stuff out there, new car stuff and all that. Soon. It's just brick in New York. 100% brick. Oh, look at this. This is actually kind of fire. It's cute. Yeah, that's fine.